This glamorous Churchill floor plan will exceed your expectations from the moment you walk toward this magnificent home. You'll notice the impressive amount of detail in the brick and stone masonry, as well as the elegant double-door entrance. Upon entering this 5,300-plus square foot dream home, you'll be in awe of all that it has to offer. From its high, soaring ceilings, hand-scraped hardwood floors, and architectural niches, you'll love the amount of luxury amenities this home includes. The spacious family room with its breathtaking stone fireplace flows right into the gourmet kitchen, equipped with everything you'd need to create the perfect meal for any occasion. The kitchen amenities include granite countertops, a chef's island, stainless steel appliances, beautiful custom cabinetry, a butler's pantry, and a spacious breakfast nook. For more formal occasions, the spacious dining room is the perfect setting for entertaining guests or family alike. On the first floor, you'll enjoy the retreat of the large master suite with its high vaulted ceilings. Prepare to be impressed as you step into the well-appointed master bath that features spa-quality features, including a deep garden tub, a large dual shower, as well as dual vanities with granite countertops. As you make your way to the top of the curved staircase, you'll find a game room ready for entertaining, as well as 3 additional bedrooms and bathrooms. For the movie lovers, there's a spacious theater room that comes pre-wired for surround sound. This home is also perfect for sunny days outside with its large covered patio. We can build this gallery custom home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.